45 Alfred Street was built during 1845 based on designs by Mortimer Lewis in response to Sydney's growing volume of maritime trade and came to be known as Customs House. It has been expanded and renovated many times over the years, and until 1990 it was the colonial and then Commonwealth facility in charge of imports, exports, excise on locally manufactured goods, immigration control, control of narcotic substances, and morally corrupt goods such as books and films. Quote unquote. Ownership was transferred to the City of Sydney Council in 1994, and the venue became an exhibition and private function centre until the 2000 Sydney Olympic Games, when it was again converted, this time into a tourism hub containing galleries, a museum, bars, cafes, a restaurant, as well as a performance and exhibition space. The City of Sydney Library moved in 2003, and a 1-tonne 4.2 by 9.5 metre scale model of the city centre was relocated here from Town Hall and encased in glass on the ground floor, giving visitors a unique bird's eye view of the city. This model is our point of interest for today. Not only can you get a novel point of view of the Opera House, but many other Sydney landmarks as well. Spend some time exploring Sydney from above before we head back out to the waterside. If you're unlucky and the centre is closed, not to worry, the answer to the question is actually just outside the door. But make sure you come back to check it out later.